Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off videos from accounts you follow. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile. Click on the three lines. Now move to the settings and privacy. Click on notifications here. Now scroll the bar and you can see here video suggestion. Videos from accounts you follow will be turned off by clicking it on. It means the accounts that you followed videos will not appear here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.